Hey guys, so welcome to week 6 of quarantine. I hope that you guys are doing really well, and I hope that so far you've been able to find all of your work from my class, no problem. I'm recording this on Thursday, and so far I have gotten a good amount of everyone's work, so thank you for working so hard. I miss you guys. For week 6, here's what you're going to be doing. Linked in the It's Learning page, you're going to find this note sheet, okay? You're going to find this linked in Word. Okay. If you are able to, I would really appreciate if you printed this out. If you cannot print it out, you have lots of time. So what I want you to do is kind of make your own copy. I know that that's not ideal, but it's super important. The sad part is that all of these are currently sitting in my classroom. And guess what? They are yellow and they're on the thick paper, but we cannot get them right now. So what I want you guys to do is make sure you print this out, okay? What we're going to be doing is something that's really, really important and really key for you guys to move on to Spanish 2. Now, I know it feels like, we're not going to get there, or maybe you're thinking, Senora, I've already passed, and I get that feeling, but it's really important that what we're doing in this week's lesson, that you guys do your best to try, and that you do your best to be successful in this concept, okay? What you guys are about to watch, I'm going to kind of like document cam this note sheet, and I want you guys to do your best to listen and follow along. We're going to fill the note sheet in, and then as we normally do, we're going to do a few examples at the end. I'm going to ask you guys to flip your note sheet over or on a separate piece of paper, kind of be prepared to write down some examples that I want you guys to try to, figure out how to write, figure out how to formulate. In order to do this note sheet, it's also important that you have those pronouns that we were working on before we left for Corona break or whatever we're calling this. If you remember, this block right here was always kind of filled in. It's not filled in on this note sheet, but we're going to ignore it. And you see these pronouns here too. Okay, they're there for a reason, and we're going to find out why. So make sure that you're following along. Make sure that you have prepared this note sheet in some way, and get ready for our little mini lesson.